Alright guys, so this video is specifically for people that have been requesting that I should share my trade with them so that they can also take the trade and earn some profit. So I've decided to share my trade with you guys, but there are different things that you've got to know as far as this trade is concerned. The first thing you want to understand is that you need to ensure that any money that you're using to trade, you are willing to lose it. That's what you've got to understand, because trading is very risky. The next thing that you want to know is that here, personally, I always trade with at least 100 USDT, because if you trade below that, probably you may not really get some things out from the trade. You can decide to use more than that if you want to. Another thing that you want to also put into consideration is that any trade you're taking, you've got to use the stop loss. In the option that I'm going to be using, they call it conditional sell. So you want to use that stop loss. So I'm going to show you what you need to do, because what I intend to do is to share the trade. Any coin that I pick on to trade, I'll tell you guys on my Facebook page. In case you're not following me on my Facebook page, try and follow me on my Facebook page so that anytime I call out any coin, you will know that this is what you are to do. And beside, I'm using Bybit. This is my Bybit account. So in case you want to do this, you can use your Bybit to trade these, because most of the coin that I will be calling out are here on Bybit. So now once I call on the coin, it is advisable that if you're interested in taking a trade, you should go into that trade as soon as possible. Apart from calling the coin, I will also tell you the conditional price that I'm willing to sell that coin. The conditional price. I'm going to show you everything here so that you understand what I'm talking about. So what you just want to do in this particular video is to know how to use the conditional order. I already made a video on this before, so that you understand how to go about it. Anytime I call a coin, you understand how to use the conditional order, because the essence of the conditional order is so that you will place the conditional sell. You know that the main essence of being in a crypto space is for you to earn money. And what I always suggest to people is that if the market is bullish, you should pay more attention to the market, because when you are in a bullish market, you are likely to earn some profit as soon as possible. You'll be able to earn some profit. But if the market is bearish, it is advisable you pay less attention to the market. That means you can focus on other things like airdrops and other ways by which you can earn money in this space. But if the market is bullish, I will suggest you pay close attention to trading, and that's what the whole concept is all about. Here, I just use simple method to analyze my trade, and then from there I go into the trade and I make some profits and I go out from the trade. So what you're going to be doing here is just to ensure that you follow me on my Facebook page. Once I call out on any coin, I'll post it, I'll screenshot and post it on my Facebook page. You will see the coin, and then if you are interested in going into the trade, you just go into the trade. I'll also give the conditional sell price so that you set it for the coin and it will sell for you once it gets to that price. So I believe that you already know how to get some USDT into your wallet here, and apart from that, I also believe that you already know how to trade here. So once you come here to the session and then you come to this trade session here, for example, I call a coin like this game that you're seeing here. I call this particular game, I send a screenshot and you see it. So once you come here, you just search for it and ensure that already you know how to trade this. So you ensure that this is on spot session. You also ensure that this is on the trade session. Then the name of the coin will be here. So in case you're having something different here, you just search for this game and search for the game here, and then you're gonna see the game here. And then if I call on the coin, all you need to do is to come here and then you buy the coin with any amount of USDT that you want to use. So once you come here, you just put the amount of USDT you want to use and buy. After you click on the buy, you get the coin. So what I'll also do is to also tell you the conditional sell price. So this is what I mean. After you've gotten the coin, the next thing you want to do is to come to this sell option. You now come to this sell option. You can see I have some games here in this wallet here. The next thing you want to do is to select this and choose this conditional. Once you choose this conditional, based on the conditional sell price that I'm going to tell you, you will put it here. After that, change this one to market and then drag all your games and then click on this cell. Once you click on this cell, it will be here. That conditional sell price will be here, meaning that once it gets to that price, it will sell off and give you back your USDT automatically. The main essence of using this conditional sell is so that in case the price goes down before you rush to convert it, it will already convert it for you. So now if we should go to the chart now, like what you're seeing here, initially I bought this particular coin here in this session you're seeing here, and the coin has increased to this point you're seeing here. So initially my conditional sell price was somewhere here, but since this coin has increased to this point, I have shifted the conditional sell price to be here. So that is what the whole concept is all about. Once I get the coin, I'll tell you guys the conditional sell price and you set it. Once you set it, as the price keeps on going, I will also tell you anytime that I modify my conditional sell price. If you want to modify your conditional sell price, just come back to the trade session here, click on this, and then you come down here, you click on this, modify, and then you put the price here, the modify price. So anytime I modify my price, I will always tell you guys that I have modified the price, and I will call a new price that I have selected. I'll call the new price, and then you just come here and click on this modify, and then you put the new modify price and confirm. So guys, these are the things that you just need to know. I thought it wise to share this with you guys so that you will know what to do anytime I, call a coin and tell you that I have entered a trade. Once I tell you that I have entered a trade, just know that I have gotten that coin. If you want to go into the trade as well, you want to come in, get the coin. After that, based on the conditional price I will also include in the post, you just come here, put on this cell, and then select this conditional and then put that price here. Once you put that price here, after you put the price here, you drag this to the end and then click on this cell. Once you click on this cell, it's going to be like this, so that if at all the price goes down, it will sell off automatically for you. I just believe that you understand what I am explaining here. That's the main thing that you need to do. You just need to know how to use the conditional option. From time to time, I will be posting the trades that I am entering and the conditional sell price also. So just know what to do once it is time. I am doing this based on the request that you guys made that I should also be sharing my trade. So these are some trades that I have made. I know how to analyze most of those coins. So anytime I analyze the coin and it's suitable for me to enter, I will enter. And once I enter, I will tell you guys that I have entered, and I will also tell you the conditional price that you are to set. So once you set that price, and it goes, depending on how it goes, you will be seeing it. And anytime I come here to modify the price, I'll also tell you guys. So guys, that's what you just need to understand. So just prepare yourself in order for you to, participate in the trading and do everything that you're supposed to do. In case you have any question, drop it in the comment section. Let me know so that I'll be able to attend to you. Alright guys, if this is the first time you're coming across my video, kindly subscribe, and also if you're interested in joining my Telegram channel, the link is in the description section of this video. Remember, the only place that I'm going to be posting this will be on my Facebook page. I'll screenshot it post it, put the conditional sell price so that you know what you're to do. Take care of yourself, guys, and until you hear from me again, make your life an exciting adventure. Bye.